Airalo versus Holafly versus Nomad, which eSIM is better? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWest. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparison review between Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically in this video, I'll be comparing these three providers that are excellent for international travel, such as Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad. And if you're not familiar with eSims, they are SIM cards that allow you to access the internet without needing to change your SIM card or pay costly roaming charges. So let's start by knowing Airalo. It offers data packages based on the regions like Asia, Europe, North America, and many more. And they also provide country plans for destinations. And what sets Airalo apart is their voice facility, allowing customers to make and receive phone calls with their plans. While on the other hand, Holafly, for those traveling to countries, Holafly offers with data plans with a focus on United States, in which they also have plans for Europe and Asia. While Holafly doesn't support voice calls, they do provide free WhatsApp and calls and messages across all of their plans. And now Nomad eSIM offers a range of country global plans along with data options in select destinations. And additionally, they have a program where you can earn credits by inviting your friends to join Nomad. And they also offer iMessage, FaceTime as part of their plans. And now to see more details about the comparison, we can now proceed to know the coverage comparison of this eSIM. And as you can see on the table below that show the region of Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Oceania, in which in Africa, Airalo offers in 32 countries in Africa, while Holafly offers 18 countries, while Nomad 29 countries in Africa. And here are some of the examples of the countries such as South Africa, Egypt, Morocco, and Kenya. While in Asia region, Airalo offers 43 countries, while Holafly offers 24, while Nomad is 38 countries offer in Asia, such as in China, India, Japan, Thailand, and many more. While in terms of Europe, Airalo offers 50 countries, while Holafly offers 48, and Nomad also offers 50 countries in Europe, such as UK, France, Germany, and Italy. While in North America, Airalo offers in 23 countries in North America, while Holafly offers 22 countries, and Nomad is available in 23 countries such as USA, Canada, Mexico, and Cuba. On the other hand, in South America, Airalo is available in 12 countries, while Holafly available in 10 countries, while Nomad is available in 12 countries, such as Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Peru, and many more. And now in the Oceania region, Airalo is available in 14 countries, while Holafly is available in 9 countries, and Nomad is available in 14 countries in Oceania, such as Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, and Samoa. And now that we know the coverage comparison, we can now proceed to this pricing plan comparison, in which below the table shows the average price per gigabyte of data for each eSIM provider in each region, as well as some examples of specific plans and their costs. So as you can see, we have here different regions such as Africa, Asia, Europe, and their price per gigabyte on different eSIM such as Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad. For instance, in Africa region, Airalo offers $3.75 per gigabyte, while Holafly offers $6.67 per gig, and Nomad offers $5 per gigabyte in Africa. And you could also see here the example, such as Airalo amounting of 1 gig for $3.75 in South Africa, while Holafly for 10 gigabyte offer $66.67 in Egypt, while Nomad is 5 gigabyte for $25 in Morocco. And you could also see some other prices on different regions such as in Asia, Europe below here. And aside from those regions, you could also see here the region of North America, South America, and Oceania. But as you can see on this table, Airalo has the lowest price per gigabyte overall, followed by Nomad and then Holafly. However, the price may vary depending on your specific plan and data usage. So it's advisable to compare the features and benefits of each eSIM provider before you purchase an eSIM plan. And now that we know the pricing plan comparison of those eSIM provider, we can now proceed to the ease of use comparison, in which Airalo provides a user, website, and app that can make it convenient for you to purchase, renew, or update your plans while on the move. And you could also activate your eSIM in a few minutes by scanning a QR code. And depending on your device and destination, you might need to make some adjustment to the settings of Airalo. And additionally, Airalo sends email notifications to keep you informed about data expiring or plans making it easier for you to track your usage. While Holafly offers an intuitive website that allows you to easily select and purchase your desired plan, activating your eSIM is hassle-free and by simply scanning the QR code provided. And unlike some other provider, Holafly doesn't require any configuration of settings as it automatically optimizes network settings for your device. And another advantage of Holafly is their customer service 24/7 through chat, email, or phone, ensuring prompt resolution of any issues or inquiries. While Nomad, on the other hand, provides a website and app where you can explore eSIM plans with different features. Activating your eSIM is quick and easy using QR code scanning option offered by Nomad. And depending on your device and destination specifics, you may need to make adjustment in settings when using Nomad's services. And now that we know the ease of use comparison, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of this eSIM provider. Starting to Airalo, the pros of using it is that it offers data packages based on regions providing cost prices per gigabyte. They also send email notification to keep you informed your data usage. While the cons of using Airalo is that it may require some settings adjustment, and it's worth noting that there is a limited coverage in certain countries like Singapore. On the other hand, Holafly, the pros of using it is that it provides data plans for destinations and even allow free WhatsApp calls and messages. And their customer service is renowned for its excellence. On the downside, or cons is that Holafly tends to have higher prices per gigabyte compared to Airalo, and coverage might not be extensive. While Nomad, on the other hand, offers a range of country global plans including data options for selected destination. They also have program in a place. While the cons of using this is that Nomad is known for being less user-friendly than providers with higher prices per gigabyte and occasional need for manual settings adjustments. Now moving on to the feature comparison. In terms of data plans, Airalo is single country, regional, and global plans, while Holafly offer unlimited data plans for several countries and regional plans, while Nomad offers in a country and global plans with unlimited plans for some destinations and SMS-only plans. Now in terms of voice feature, Airalo is available for global eSIM plans with Austrian number, while Holafly is available for Europe plans with an Austrian number as well, while Nomad does not offer a voice feature. On the other hand, the WhatsApp feature only offered by Holafly, which is a free WhatsApp calls and messages in all plans, while Airalo and Nomad does not offer the WhatsApp feature. And now in terms of ease of use, as I said earlier, Airalo offer a user-friendly website and app, QR code activation, email notifications, while Holafly offers simple and intuitive website, QR code activation, excellent customer service, while Nomad offers a comprehensive website and app, QR code activation as well, and also referral program. And now in conclusion or in summary, when it comes to providers, for travelers, Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad offer distinct plans and features. Since Airalo provides coverage at affordable price per gigabyte, although it may require manual adjustments for settings and lacks voice and WhatsApp capabilities. On the other hand, Holafly offers data plans along with free WhatsApp calls and messages. However, its prices per gigabyte are higher compared to Airalo, and its coverage is not as broad, while Nomad provides a range of options including country global plans, and some destinations even offer data plans. However, Nomad's ease of use is lower compared to the providers. Its prices per gigabyte are higher, as well as it may require some manual settings tweaks. But ultimately, the best eSIM provider for you will depend on your travel needs and preferences such as your destination, data consumption, requirements, and budgets. And it is also advisable to compare the features and benefits offered by each provider before making a purchase decision. So that is just basically a comparison review between Airalo, Holafly, and Nomad. Thank you.